I just found one of the finest homes in Sangotedo, and I know you will absolutely love this one. Starting with the landscape that welcomes you inside this home, and we're looking at an ample parking space of up to 3 or 4 cars, depending on the size of your car. Now, what I like about this home is the simplicity of the design. Clearly, you can see that. It is very functional. Trust me, I've gone inside, and I know you will absolutely love this one. If you're new to my channel, you quickly want to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see further housing tours and investment opportunities like this. With that said, welcome home. As usual, this is the ambience of the estate. Trust me when I say that this home rather, is located in a very secure estate here in Sangotedo. And around here, you have schools. The Lagos Business School is just around here. You have Sky Mall, you have ShopRite. There is everything to love about this particular home. Now, we have 4 units over here, 4 units of 4-bedroom semi-detached duplexes, clearly as you can see. And just the entrance here, you have your natural landscape. And when you enter inside the compound, you see your car park space that can take 3 or 4 cars depending on the size of your car. Then you have your security lights outside here, and the fences are not, very short, so you have, your privacy over here. So let me just show you what the exterior looks like. Then after that, we can now go inside. So this is what it looks like. It's a semi-detached. So you have your tap over here, and you have your water tank just up there. Then we just have this small storage area. You want to store something. It doesn't have a BQ. Okay, it doesn't have a BQ. So let's go right inside the interior. Okay. I said this design is very minimal, yet I just love the simplicity of it. So when you step inside, you have your sizable primary living area with your TV console over there, and you've got your light just around this place. Okay, so I'm giving you another view from here. So that door there is where you have your visitors' restroom. So this is your visitors' restroom. So let's go see what we have in this corner. Over here, you have your kitchen. Have your kitchen. Over here, you have your island. And this door can lead you to the backyard. Okay? So this is what the kitchen looks like. You have your 5-burner gas here. You have your heat extractor, and you have compartments for your storage. You also have this pantry over here where you can store your kitchen essentials. There's a microwave, there's an oven. Okay? All right. So there's one room downstairs for your visitors. So this is what it looks like. I love the finishing of this home. This is your closet or your wardrobe. Then you have your bathroom right here. You have your bathroom right here with your walk-in shower. Okay. So let's go upstairs. So this is your staircase over here, and it has sensor lights. So when you are on top of it, it just comes up. So this is your family lounge, a secondary living area. You can just set up your TV and put your couch here for your family. Then over here, we have another room here. We've got another room here. You have your closet just in this corner, and you have your ensuite bathroom over here. That's your walk-in shower right there. I love the consistency of this house, how everything is the same. Starting from the spacious living area, the impeccable finishing, and the simplicity of the design. So we have another room over here. So 3 rooms upstairs, 1 room downstairs. Okay, so as usual, you have your closet right there. You've got your ensuite bathroom over here. Of course, with your walk-in shower. Okay. So let's take a look at the masters and what it looks like. So this is the last room. This is the last room over here. And you've got your spacious living area. So that's your closet right there. You've got your spacious ensuite bathroom over here. You have your walk-in shower. You have your bathtub, your sizable bathtub. This is not small. Sizable bathtub. Of course, you have this compartment here. You can store your skincare and other essentials that you might need. Now, tell me what you think of this property. This is very nice. So if you're currently in the market looking for a property below the 200 million naira mark, you strongly want to consider this. And this is your spacious balcony. Okay? And let me zoom in so you can see the Lekki-Epe Expressway right from here. So that's the Lekki-Epe Expressway. Okay? So let me know what you think of this amazing project. Every detail will be in the comments. Trust me, this is one project that if you are really interested, you need to move really fast. Properties like this don't stay long in the market. My details will be there for you to contact me. Let's get you home for real. Let's get you home. Thank you.